In the vibrant world of video games, opportunities to make money have blossomed into a diverse landscape, each pathway catering to different skills, interests, and time commitments. For many, gaming transcends mere entertainment, evolving into a viable source of income. The methods are as varied as the games themselves, offering something for everyone, from casual players to dedicated professionals. One of the most popular avenues for monetizing gaming is through streaming and content creation. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube have become bustling marketplaces for gamers to showcase their skills, personalities, and unique gaming experiences. The allure of streaming lies not just in the potential for financial gain, but also in the ability to build a community. Successful streamers often cultivate a distinctive persona or niche that resonates with viewers. This could range from humorous commentary and skillful gameplay to in-depth analysis of game mechanics or lore. Engaging with an audience, responding to comments, and creating a sense of belonging are crucial for growth. As a streamer, the revenue streams can include subscriptions, ad revenue, and sponsorships, which can accumulate significantly for those who find their footing in the competitive landscape. Diving deeper into the gaming ecosystem, esports has emerged as a powerhouse of potential earnings. Competitive gaming is not for the faint-hearted. It requires immense dedication, countless hours of practice, and a relentless pursuit of improvement. Players who excel in popular titles like League of Legends, Dota 2, or Counter-Strike Global Offensive often find themselves vying for substantial prize pools and tournaments. The financial rewards can be staggering, with some events boasting millions in prizes. Beyond tournament winnings, professional players can secure lucrative sponsorships, further augmenting their income. However, the road to becoming a pro gamer is laden with challenges. It demands not only skill, but also strategic thinking, teamwork, and resilience against the pressures of competition. For those who prefer a behind-the-scenes role, game testing and quality assurance offer a unique opportunity to earn a wage while indulging in their passion. Game testers play an essential part in the development process, providing feedback on pre-release titles. Their work involves identifying bugs, testing gameplay mechanics, and ensuring a smooth user experience. While the pay may not rival that of professional players or streamers, it offers a stable income and a chance to influence the final product. Game testing can be an entry point into the gaming industry, providing valuable experience and insights into game design and development. Another intriguing way to make money in gaming is through the creation and sale of in-game items. Many games allow players to customize their characters with unique skins, weapons, or mods, which can be traded or sold. The rise of marketplaces such as Steam's Community Market or third-party sites has enabled players to monetize their creativity. For instance, a talented artist might design a skin for a popular game, which can then be sold for real money. This not only rewards creativity, but also encourages a vibrant community of creators and players. The challenge lies in standing out in a saturated market and navigating the rules set by game developers regarding item sales. The advent of play-to-earn games has introduced a new paradigm in the gaming economy. These games allow players to earn cryptocurrency or in-game assets that can be converted into real-world money. While the concept is enticing, it comes with significant risks. The volatility of cryptocurrencies and the sustainability of such games are crucial factors to consider. Players must conduct thorough research before diving in, as the landscape is rife with projects that may not deliver on their promises. Understanding the game mechanics, the value of the assets, and the overall market trends is essential for anyone looking to make a profit in this space. Coaching and tutorial services have also gained traction as a means to monetize gaming skills. As gaming becomes increasingly competitive, many players seek guidance to improve their performance. Experienced gamers can offer coaching services, providing personalized feedback and strategies to help others elevate their gameplay. Platforms like Discord and specialized coaching websites have made it easier for players to connect with potential clients. This avenue not only allows skilled players to earn money, but also fosters a sense of community as they share knowledge and help others succeed. For those with a flair for creativity and technical skills, game development presents a promising opportunity. The barrier to entry has lowered significantly, with accessible tools and resources available for aspiring developers. Learning programming languages, game design principles, and utilizing engines like Unity or Unreal Engine can set the foundation for a career in game development. While the journey can be challenging, the potential for financial return is substantial, especially for those who create engaging and innovative games. Successful indie games have garnered critical acclaim and financial success, proving that with the right idea and execution, anyone can carve out a niche in the industry. However, not all avenues in the gaming economy are without ethical considerations. Flipping game accounts and items can be lucrative, but it raises questions about fairness and integrity. This practice involves buying and selling accounts or rare items for profit, often circumventing the intended use of these digital assets. While some players may view it as a legitimate business opportunity, others argue it undermines the gaming experience. Developers often implement strict policies against such activities, leading to potential bans or account suspensions. Navigating this gray area requires careful consideration of the implications and the values held by the gaming community. In conclusion, the myriad ways to make money in video games cater to a wide range of skills, interests, and time investments. Whether through streaming, esports, game testing, or content creation, opportunities abound for those willing to dedicate themselves to their craft. As the gaming landscape continues to evolve, it remains essential for individuals to research, adapt, and find their unique path in this dynamic industry. With creativity, strategy, and a bit of luck, the world of gaming can transform from a pastime into a profitable venture.